Hello, everyone, and welcome to the OISE Course Outline Explorer training module. In this session today, we'll show you how to access the Course Outline Explorer, how to search for a course outline, how to create your own course outline, and how you can edit and clone course outlines. So let's hop into the Course Outline Explorer. Once you make it to the login page, type in your credentials and press login. If you want to search and look around and see what other course outlines currently exist, you can navigate by pressing the Courses button. Here you can search by course code, course title, and you can even filter by department. Once you're ready to start creating your own course outlines, at the very top left corner, you can click the button Add Course Outline. This will bring you to a blank course outline where you can type in your name. You can search by course code, and this will bring up a list of all the courses that are added to the Course Outline Explorer. And you can choose when you're delivering the course, which session it was for, and the course delivery mode. Some of the options that you choose here will affect how the Course Outline Explorer form looks. As you can see, the Course Outline Explorer form is just a bunch of boxes where you can type in your own content. For example, underneath the course delivery mode, there is an information pop-up where you can get information that you may wish to copy and paste into your course. Again, because this is your course outline, you have free range to put in whichever content you want. As you scroll down, you're going to continue to fill out the course outline with as much or little information as you want. Again, you can always come back and edit these forms later. As we scroll all the way down, you can see there are a lot of empty fields that you can complete. And this form is actually 4 pages long. So there's a lot of information that you may want to add to your course. Now, some of the form fields actually have placeholder text. So this is text that's been provided by OISE. Again, you do have full range to completely delete this, or you can just leave it as is. Things like policies and procedures, academic integrity. You can make changes if you want, but it's completely up to you. So again, as you fill out all of these kind of form fields, you're going to keep scrolling down, and again, until you get to the very end, and then you can click Save. Once you click Save, this course will become public, so you can actually see it listed on the OISE Course Outline Explorer site. And again, if you're teaching the course in another semester or another term, you can easily clone the course outline and then make any of the necessary changes you need. If you want to see which course outlines you've created, instead of clicking the Add Course Outline button, you're just going to click the My Course Outlines button. And here you can see all of the previous iterations you've created for different courses, when you created them. And if you want to edit them, you can click the Edit button. And if you want to clone them, maybe because you're reteaching it in another semester, you can clone them as well too. And that's it for the OISE Course Outline Explorer. This is a quick rundown to show you how you can search for course outlines, create course outlines, edit them, and clone them. And as you can see, some courses that are offered already have course outlines created, whereas other courses might not have any yet because we're just rolling this project out now. So you're also welcome to upload previous course outlines from years prior if that's something you want to do. If you have any questions about using the Course Outline Explorer or need help, please feel free to reach out to Education Commons. Thank you.